Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Welcome everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic video update. Okay, so the main focus right now on Luna Classic to me is not the daily, it's not the 4-hour time frame, it's not the 1-hour time frame, but I rather want to look at the weekly time frame for Luna Classic right now. This still always sounds to me like a good idea to buy down at 11,500 because that resistance was there. This resistance was here, pop to the upside, come down for the dirty retest, hold this retest. If it's only a question of if you can hold that 11,500, otherwise it could be really bad if you do come down and start to lose 8,500. Start to lose that, there could be huge reversal wave even to 2000s and whatnot. So you got to be careful regarding that one. So on a trading side, still a problem. On a long-term side of it, this is still an amazing buying opportunity. That whole zone is like a buying opportunity, because when you have a long-term vision, this thing, you can tell someone in the future that, hey, I bought Luna Classic at 59,000, and they're gonna be impressed that you actually bought really cheap. Okay, but if you come down in the smaller time frames and tell someone that I bought at 59,000, it's gonna sound really bad because you're down like more than 50% to the downside. It's all about perspective and the kind of a trader you are and how you see the market. So that really depends. I've already talked about this on so many times before, and it's gonna remain like that. But what I want to show you on the weekly time frame is the following and the following only. So that's gonna be this one here. So you previously had this bullish engulfing, you bounced off that area, you bounced off this area, and it seems like on the weekly you really didn't make it all the way up to 19,732, which I was quite expecting, by the way. But let's see if next week you can actually try to make it up there to 19,000 and get rejected finally to continue even lower. Now, by the way, the weekly closing really matters right now. Okay, so the weekly closing really matters. First of all, you had this weekly flag here. That was your weekly flag. You popped out of that weekly flag, and you went for the technical target from the top here to the bottom, and that's pretty much a target that was actually met. You can see the technical target was down to 15,378, and I talked about this one in previous updates as well. Now, in the next 2 days and 17 hours, I'm really interested to see how this weekly candle is going to close, because in 2 days, if you start to push lower, if Bitcoin starts to drop and you see Luna Classic dropping as well, it really depends if you make a very gigantic red candle all the way down to 11,000 and try to bottom out a little bit and try to move up, or you can just drop down a little bit to 14,000, and next week as well you try to drop even way more lower. But if you do that, you're going to be making 3 black rows, which is 3 red candles back to back. And the problem with this one is that if you make 3 red candles, now listen carefully, 3 red candles, as I told you before, just like these 3 red candles, they are continuation to move lower. Their continuation, and I talked about this one in detail in so many videos, that hey, we're gonna have 3 red candles and a little bit of a relief and then go down. So that perfectly played out. One of those scenarios played out, because another scenario was if you just try to like pump back up like this, then it would be a bullish pattern all in all, but it didn't do that. So if you repeat this very same structure, you repeat that very same structure right here again, that could be a problem, because you're gonna make 3 black rows, and if you make 3 black rows closing like this near 9,265, that's a big hint that you, my friend, potentially went back for the retest, but you're failing the retest. So all you need to do is make some good candles, like maybe some dojis right here, some inverted hammers in this zone right there. You don't want to lose and close below the yellow line with 3 red candles like that, because that means that it's gonna close to 9,000, pump back up to maybe 11,000, get rejected, and then continue to newer technical targets to the downside. So you don't want to see something like that. And the weekly, I'm emphasizing the weekly a lot because it's just so that important. I don't know if the RSI has anything, but the RSI pretty much doesn't have any data right now. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic. And if you want to learn more about this one, always check out the trading course. Message me up on Twitter, hit me up. My name is AdamCoins _ on Twitter. Message me there to buy. If you want to buy to get it, you can get a discount as well. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.